Good morning, class 1. Welcome to the new academic session. I am Sister Selvi. I will be teaching you EVS subject, that is Environmental Studies. Children, you were in UKG in the last year. This year you are come to class 1. In class 1 you will be learning many subjects. So EVS is one among them. So this is the book that you will be learning the environmental study. In the environmental study, what are you going to learn? There you are going to learn about yourself, about the world, about the food that we eat, the dress we wear, the air that we breathe, and about our neighbors, plants, animals, transport, where we travel, how we travel, and the communication, how we communicate others, and the world around, the moon, the sun, the sky, and the stars, etc. will be taught in the EVS subject. Okay, children, today we are going to learn chapter 1, that is introducing myself. So this is chapter 1, introducing myself. Introducing myself means introducing about me. I am saying about me. What is my name? From where I am coming, what I am doing, etc. So now, how do you introduce yourself? If someone comes and asks you, what is your name? You have to tell about your name. When they ask you, what is your father's name? You will be saying about your father's name. And which school are you studying? You will say the name of your school and the class you are studying. So in this chapter we are going to see a small little girl. You see here, this girl is introducing about herself. This girl is wearing uniform, socks and shoe, and you see a small cover, a small plate like she is using, which is known as ID. This girl name is Shreya. She is of 6 years old. She is very good at painting. And she is wearing a small ID card which is special to her because it tells about who she is, from where she is coming, what is her father's name, mother's name, and their phone number, the class she is studying, etc. are written here. So this ID card is very important for a student. So when you come to school, you will be coming with the uniform and the ID like this. Now you see, children, in the yellow column, you see in this column, here it is asked, what are 3 things that you will be wearing and coming to the school? So the first one, you write what you are wearing. For example, uniform. Next, socks and shoe. And the third one will be, we wear and come to the school is ID card. Here you see, children, in this down the page number 9, it is given my identity card. It tells about the name of the person, whether boy or girl, and where he is studying, which class he is studying, and the telephone number, etc. So children, today you will be ask your father or mother and write down your name, your school name, which class are you studying, where boy or girl, father's name, your mother name, the phone number, etc. You will ask your parents and write and complete the exercise here. Now let us turn to the page 10. When we were born, that day, when we remember, it is known as birthday. So in the page number 10, in the first here they are asking about your birthday. You ask your parents when you were born, write the date, month and the year you were born. Then how many brothers and sisters do you have? If you have a brother or a sister, write in the second column where it is asked about your how many brother or sister you have. And next, look around yourself. Do you look the same as your friends? Now look at your neighbors, your neighboring boys. Look at your own brother and sister and see whether you are looking exactly like him. If no, you write down here no. If yes, you write it here yes. Okay children? But we all are not the same. We all are different from each other. So we are known as special children. Then children will see likes and dislikes. Likes means what I want, what I am interested. So that is called likes. Dislikes means what I'm not interested. I don't like to have it. For example, Shreya, we saw a girl who was 6 years old and who was wearing the ID card which is called as identity card. She likes banana, but she has a brother named Yash. He does not like banana, but he likes orange. But we all like to eat, wear and do different things. So we may not like the same things what others like. You may not like the same food or the game that your friends all eating and playing. This also makes us different from each other. So not only how we look, how from where we are coming makes us different, but the food we eat, the game we play also makes us different from one another. Okay children, now tell me, most of us have pet name. Do you have one? Pet name means you have already one name given by your parents, but your grandparents or even your parents used to call you with another name. Do you have anything like that? If you have, you write down in your copy. Then when you speak about yourself, we speak about myself, me, I am, I was, then this is mine. So etc. we will be saying about anything about myself, oneself. Okay. Now children, we all are special. What are the things that make you different from your friends? You can think on, you can write down in your copy. That is what makes you different from your friends, your brother or sister, or even your mother and father. So you write down in your copy what special things that you are doing and different from others. And children, we all have hobbies. Hobbies means the activity, the work that we do in our free time. When we have no work, we like to do that work in our free time. That is called hobbies. Now you see in this book, the first girl is, what she is doing? She is playing. This boy is coloring. This girl is cycling. He is playing, coloring and cycling. So in their free time, they are doing whatever they like to do. So do you have any hobby that you like to do in your free time at home? Just you think and you also can write down in your copy. Then you see children here, this boy is swimming, this boy is singing and this girl is dancing. So when they free time, they like to go for swimming, one is like to go for singing, one is dancing. So these are known as hobbies. In our free time, what we like to do is known as hobbies. Sometimes we like to do in our free time is also gives us lot of interest, and we like to do and improve in that whatever we like. And each one of us may have different hobbies. So you all will not have the same hobbies. Like if you like to dance, your friends may like to sing. The other friend may like to swim. So the hobbies can differ from one another. It is not the same with everyone. It is nice to share our hobbies with our family and friends. So children, now you speak with your parents. What is your hobby? What you like to do in your free time at home? Now, do any one of you have special hobbies? Like for cycling, dancing, singing, swimming, playing, etc. So children, if you have any special hobbies, you see here in this column, do you have any hobbies? Write them here, it is written. So you think, reflect and see which is your hobby, what you like to do in your free time. So write down in this column. Also children, looking after plants in our home is a good hobby. It is not only cycling, swimming, singing, dancing, but taking care of the plants in our house and taking care of our pet animal in the house. It is also known as hobby. Very good hobby. And when we take care of the plants in our house, it will bring beauty to our home and gives us very green sight. On one of your friend's birthday, you also can, if you have plans, can give as a gift to your friends. Okay, children, we learned in this chapter, introducing myself, that we have introduced ourselves, that about me, about my name, my place, where I am coming, and the work, what I am doing, where I am studying, what is my father's name, what is my mother's name, etc. Then, that is when children come to the school, along with the uniform, socks and shoe, they will be wearing ID card, which is having all this with a name, whether boy or girl, which class studying, which school, etc. Then we saw likes and dislikes. Likes and dislikes means whatever I like, you may not like. Whatever you like, your friends may not like. Then whatever you don't like, your friends may like. So there is difference between likes and dislikes between you and your friends, brothers and sisters. Then we saw hobbies. Hobbies are which we do in our daily, in our free time. We like to do, we just enjoy in doing in our free time is known as hobbies. So there are so many hobbies where children used to do playing, coloring, painting, drawing, cycling, swimming, singing, dancing, etc. Now you find what is your hobby during your free time, what you are doing, and you can write down in the page number 11. It is where it is given, do you have any hobby? Write them here, you can write it. Children, in this chapter we saw each one of us are special and different. We should respect other people, even those who are not like us. Not like us means those not like me doing or singing, dancing, studying, etc. We should be kind and polite while talking to people. When we talk to people, we have to talk gently, politely, respectfully. We talk to people. We should learn to work with others without fighting. When we work together, we should work with lovingly, caringly, and cooperating with one another without fighting. We should do the work. Will we make friends if we always fight with others? When we fight with others, find fault with others, get angry with others, can we make friendship with others? I think so, children. No, we cannot make any friendship with others. Okay, children, for now, we end the class here. Now, as we learned what is identity card, what is my likeness and dislikeness, what is my hobbies, you will learn and write down in your copy, in your book here what is given about identity card. And see, in this I already told, in this column what are the 3 things you will be wearing and coming to the school, and when is your birthday, and how many brothers and sisters you have, and what do you see the difference between you and your friends. So you will be writing here in this column where it is asked. Then you write here your hobby about. So now we end the class, children. Wish you all the best. Do well.